I've been exploring the MyMetro Mobile App for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. MyMetro is a mobile app from Metro by T-Mobile that's meant to give customers an easier way to manage their wireless account from their iPhone instead of calling support or visiting a store. It's designed mainly for existing Metro users who want to handle routine tasks like checking their bill, managing lines, or keeping an eye on usage in one place. At its core, the app aims to be a central hub for all things Metro, bringing together account information and service controls in a single mobile-friendly space. In everyday use, that typically means opening the app to see when your next payment is due, how much you owe, and what plan or add-ons you have on your line, which can be helpful if you prefer not to log in via browser. While the exact feature list isn't spelled out in the store description, the positioning and category suggest that it sits in the lifestyle and account management space rather than trying to be a full self-service tech toolbox. However, the app is not without its limitations and potential downsides. One practical constraint is that it is designed only for iPhone and requires iOS 17 or later, which means anyone on an older device or earlier system version simply can't use it. Its relatively large download size, over 750 megabytes, is also worth noting, as this can be significant for users with limited storage or slower connections. And while overall ratings are high, there is still a small but noticeable share of lower star reviews, suggesting that some customers do run into issues such as glitches, login difficulties, or unexpected behavior, even if those problems are not dominant in the aggregate scores. Overall, MyMetro comes across as a solid companion app if you're already a Metro by T-Mobile customer and want a straightforward way to keep tabs on your account from your phone. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.